Today we are going to show you how to hang your own ceiling fan. This may seem like an intimidating project, but we promise you can DIY it. We will walk you through some of the electricity. Before you get started, you'll want a drill, a screwdriver, and then depending on your electricity, you may need a wire cutter and some pliers for backup. To start, you should remove any old brackets that will prevent you from screwing into the electrical box. Most of this will be following the instructions. Make sure that you hang the bracket nice and tight because this will hold the majority of the fan infrastructure. Once you have the bracket in the ceiling, you're ready to start connecting the electrical. The typical rule is white wire to white wire and black wire to black wire, but we had a yellow wire rather than black. The yellow and black wires carry power, and the white is always a neutral wire. You may also have a green wire, which is the grounding wire. In our case, we had white and yellow wires in our electrical box. So in the end, we connected white to white and yellow to black. Once all of the electrical is done, you're ready to hang the blades. The kit usually comes with weights in the event that the blades aren't balanced. Otherwise, just follow the directions in your kit. The hardest part is done. Once everything is installed, you're ready to insert those bulbs, put the cover over, and turn that fan on. Enjoy your breeze!